Hey children, how are you all? Fine? Very good. So today I will talk about Makar Sankranti or Uttarayan. You had the holiday now on 14th Jan. It was Makar Sankranti. I am Aditi Miss. I will teach about Makar Sankranti or Uttarayan. All that day why we fly kite and why we eat sweets. First, we will see the gist of Makar Sankranti. Easy 10 lines on Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is the festival which is majorly celebrated by the Hindu community with great joy and happiness. Number 2. It is celebrated on 14th or 15th January every year to welcome the transition of Sun into Capricorn or Makar Rashi of zodiac. Number 3. Makar Sankranti is considered as a very auspicious day, and taking bath in holy rivers like Ganga is believed to bring prosperity and happiness in the lives of the devotees. Number 4. It is believed that taking bath in river Ganga on Makar Sankranti can wash all our sins and helps to attain salvation. Number 5. Makar Sankranti is celebrated across the country with different names and customs like Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Magh Bihu in Assam, Uttarayan in Gujarat, Maghi in Punjab and Haryana, Khichdi in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, etc. Number 6. From Makar Sankranti, the nights become shorter and days start getting longer. Number 7. Donating rice, wheat, sweets on Makar Sankranti is believed to bring prosperity to the person donating it and also removes all his obstacles. Number 8. Makar Sankranti is incomplete without the sweets made up of til, sesame seeds, and gur means jaggery. People prepare and share sweets like gazak, chikki, til laddu, etc. with family and friends. Number 9. People, especially children, enjoy the occasion by flying kites with their friends and family members. Number 10. Makar Sankranti is the festival which is enjoyed by everyone and spreads the message of togetherness and harmony. Shift in the rising point of the sun throughout the year. Did you ever notice that the sun does not always rise in the east? The point of its rising changes every day. This picture shows the movement of the rising point of the sun. In each picture, the long arrow is the arbitrary reference line. The direction of sun's shift is shown by the red arrow. Directions are shown at the top right red hand corner. Note also the date in each picture. You will also notice that conditions for taking photographs change during this year. Follow the directions of red arrow in each photograph and see how the sun's rising point moves throughout the year. Just follow the arrow. Then you can arrow in 2nd March. Sun is rising from east. Perfect from east. Now then to moving towards north. 30th March. Move to north direction. 30th March. It is 27th April. Again it's moved to north side. 30th May. Again move to north side. From 22nd June it started moving to south side. Just follow the arrow and the date. From 22nd June it started moving towards south. from 22nd June. It is 30th July. See, it's moving towards south. 21st August. South, moving to south, and 28th September, almost in the east. 28th September, almost reached the point of east. From 25th October, it's again going to north side. 26th November, see the arrow, 16th November, it's again going to south. 19th December, again moving to south. Towards south it's going from 22nd June. From 26th January, again it started moving towards east. 21st February, towards east, towards north to point of east. You saw from March to February a complete cycle of the sun, going north, then south, and then north again. So the sun does not rise always from the same point. You understood? In an open ground, choose a point observation. Mark some reference point such as an electric pole. Look towards eastern horizon and mark point of rise of the sun on a line as shown. Make an observation at least once every month. In an open ground, choose a point of observation. Mark some reference point such as electric pole. Look towards eastern horizon and mark point of rise of the sun on a line as shown. The apparent annual path of the sun is inclined to the equator at an angle of 23.5 degree. The daily path of the sun is parallel to the equator. It is the combination of these two that gives rise to the phenomena of Dakshinayan and Uttarayan. Around 21st June, the sun is 23.5 degree north of equator. Around 23 September, the sun rises on the equator. Pongal or Makar Sankranti. Why we celebrate Pongal or Makar Sankranti? Pongal is celebrated to convey appreciation to the sun god for a successful harvest. Part of celebration is the boiling of the first rice of the season consecrated to the sun, that is Lord Surya. It is Lord Surya, sun god. According to the Tamil calendar, it is usually celebrated from 14 Jan to 17 Jan. First day Bhogi, second day Thai Pongal, third day Mantu Pongal, fourth day Kanum Pongal. First day Bhogi. Happy Bhogi! On this day people discard old belongings and celebrate new possessions. The disposal of worn out items is similar to the tradition of Holika in North India. This day is celebrated in Punjab as Lohri and Assam as Magh Bihu. Second day Thai Pongal. Second day Thai Pongal. Thai refers to the 10th month in the Tamil calendar. In Tamil language, the word Pongal means overflowing, signifying abundance and prosperity. During this festival, milk is cooked in a vessel. When it starts to bubble and overflows out of the vessel, freshly harvested rice, grains, cardamom, raisins and cashew are added, and as the dish is dedicated to the sun god Surya. The cooking is done in clay pot that is decorated with colored platters. The dish is then served in banana leaves. Third day, Matu Pongal. It is celebrated the day after Thai Pongal. Tamil regard cattle the source of wealth for providing dairy products, fertilizer and labor for plowing and transportation. On this day, few games include such as Jallikattu and taming bull. On this day, cattle is decorated with garlands and feed them with mixture of ven pongal, jaggery, honey, banana and other fruits. Fourth day, Kanum Pongal. This is fourth day of the festival. The word Kanum in this context means to visit means families hold remain on this day. So this was all about Pongal. 10 interesting facts about Makar Sankranti. 10. Makar Sankranti is a Hindu festival celebrated in the month of January. 9. It is one of the few Hindu festivals that is observed according to solar cycles. Number 8. It is the festival of harvest. 7. People make til ke laddu and exchange with their neighbors and relatives. Number 6. This day marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring. Number 5. This day marks the beginning of Kumbh Mela in Uttar Pradesh, UP. Number 4. Pilgrims take a dip in holy river water to wash off all their sins. Number 3. Makar Sankranti denotes the transition of sun from the Sagittarius to Capricorn. Number 2. People fly kite on this day. Number 1. In coincidence with the festivals of Pongal, Lohri, Bhogali Bihu and Bhogi. These are all 10 facts. Makar Sankranti, Til Ke Laddu and Kite. It is an ancient Hindu festival known to be celebrated for more than 2000 years. On this day, the sun enters the Capricorn Makar, the Indian zodiac sign. The day marks the end of winter and beginning of summer, meaning transit of the sun. The sun changes its direction from this day in the month of January. With this change, the direction of wind also changes. Winter is gone and summer. South India, Pongal or Makar Sankranti, which is mainly a harvest festival. North India, Lohri, which is celebrated with a bonfire to mark the end of winter. East India, Uttarayan, which is celebrated by flying kites mainly. West India, Maghi, which is celebrated by bonfires, cow fighting and making merry. All the Sankranti. In most places, almost all rituals are common, and this is why we are proud of our country which shares unity in diversity. When is it celebrated? It is celebrated on the 14th or 15th day of January month every year. 5 things to celebrate transformation. To welcome the change in the sun, people perform Surya Namaskar. It is a yoga series which exercises the whole body with 12 different postures called asanas. It is very important to teach this to kids as it will keep the body fit and enhance growth appropriately. Gifting. In northern India, brothers gift their sisters' family warm clothing. In southern India, people give away various gifts along with a special mixture of sesame seeds and jaggery. Some people also gift books during this festival as it is a means to spread knowledge. Special foods on Makar Sankranti. Sesame seeds, til and jaggery are the main ingredient in every region. Pongal is one rice dish which is served in South India on this day and is made from a fresh harvest. Why do we fly kites and eat steel laddus? Let's decode. Why do we fly kites on Makar Sankranti? Let's see. The 6 months of Uttarayan is considered as a single day for gods, and flying kites is believed to be thanksgiving to them. Flying kites. It is a tradition followed which scientifically exposes the body to sunlight for longer hours. This is to get the body adjusted to the sun after the long winter cold. The initial rays of the sun are rich in vitamin D. Sun exposure natures the skin to adapt to summer. The new crop. A reason to celebrate is also the first harvest that comes at the end of winter. The crop is all decorated and worshipped before it is used to cook the dishes for the day. It is also a form of paying respect to Mother Earth for giving us good crop on which life is dependent throughout the year. Wish you all a very happy Sankranti. Let's make it colorful. Happy Makar Sankranti. Now we will learn how to make kite of newspaper. Take a newspaper, square one, then fold it like a triangle. Its shape will be like triangle. Then again open and keep it like diamond shape. Then take a stick, long stick, size of your kite. Then take a tape, adhesive tape. Stick it, top corner, stick it with adhesive tape, red color or black color or white color, whatever you have, stick with paper, 3 4 stick. Then take another long stick and fold it, the corner fold with paper and then stick adhesive. Can you see how am I doing? Yes, then another stick like other one, same. Fold with paper, then stick with adhesive. Then fold it as half circle. Two sticks together. And then you have to stick it with two sides of the stick. You have to stick with adhesive. You can see how it's happening. Yeah. And one side left. Yes. That open one. Close it and stick with adhesive. So make it strong. Put other adhesive tape. Okay. Now you have to make tail of your kite. Isn't it? Oh, you have to put manjas. You need manjas na to fly kite. Yes, then tie manjas with kite. Yes, one side. Cut it, then from other side. Exactly and middle. Two sides of the stick you have stitched na. The two sides of stick you have to bind manjas like this. Yes, very good. You have done. Then close there. Then open one. Make a knot. Now we will make tail. Cut papers like this. Then put all the papers together. All the papers. First two paper. Put stick with adhesive tape. Then third paper. Then fourth paper. Then the triangle shape paper. That will be the tail of kite. All you have to stick with adhesive tape. Okay, now its tail is ready. Now this tail you have to stick with your kite. Yes, again stick with adhesive tape. It's fine. Yes, your kite is ready now. It's ready to fly. But you have to tie with your firki. You know what is that? To fly? Yes, this is firki. Now you have to make knot with this manja. Now it is totally ready to fly. You can make your own kite at home and then you can fly. Look how it's flying. Nice, na? Now we will see how the birds are in danger in Makar Sankranti.
Thousands of endangered birds migrate to Gujarat every year. Most of them never go back. The reason? Uttarayan, Gujarat's kite flying festival, where fun-filled rivalry involves cutting kites with razor-sharp threads called manjas, which are laced with powdered glass. Manjas kill and injure over 2,000 birds every year.
How do we save birds? We found our answer in simple fact. Birds are most active between 5 to 7 morning and evening.
The obvious solution asks people to avoid flying kites during these hours. But how do we change a 250-year-old tradition? Fly more kites. We design kites that look like endangered birds. See this? Looking like birds. We flew these kites with soft threads, allowing them to be cut.
By rivals. Kite enthusiasts realized how their kites were killing innocent birds. Look, our messages inspired school and college students. The activity was picked up by students. Save birds, avoid flying kites between 5 to 7. They broadcasted.
People now avoided flying kites during these hours. The result 68% lesser birds injured this year. You should aware of this. Now we will see a story. 32. The yellow kite is here. We will see a story now of kite. Hello Tony. Hello Jenny. Hello Gogo. What are you doing? We are making kites. I like kites. Whose kite is this? Whose kite is this? This one is mine and that one is hers. Look. Look at this page. Paper and scissor. I'm cutting and making. Wow. Clap, clap, clap. Very good, Gogo. Can you make a kite? Watch me. Look what he is doing. Gogo, what he is doing. He made a kite. Wow. Let's fly our kites. Yes, we can go to the park. Let's go with kites. Stick in gum. Oh, oh, Gogo. What happened? You stuck with gum. Look, they're flying kites in the park. Birds are watching. Gogo also came. Look, Gogo also flying his kite. Oh no, his flight cut. Whose kite is that? It's mine. Gogo flew to catch the kite. Look, he caught his kite. Oh, he stuck with other kites. Birds flew away. Are you all right? Yes, I am all right. Are those kites yours? Yes, they are ours. Is the yellow kite yours? Yes, it is mine. The yellow kite is hers. Yellow kite is hers. Is the purple kite yours? Yes, it's mine. The purple kite is his. He gave the purple kite. Now let's all fly our kites. There's no wind now. We cannot fly our kites. What should I do now? Gogo is thinking. Oh, Gogo arranged a fan. Thank you, Gogo. What they are doing? Coloring. Someone is reading. There's Gogo. Oh, Gogo is coming. Look out, Gogo. Oh, splash. Sorry. Is this book yours, GB? Yes, it is. Thank you, Gogo. The book is hers. Whose book is it? The book is hers. Very good. Is this brush yours, Tappy? Yes, it is. Thank you, Gogo. The brush is his. Whose is this? It's mine. I'm sorry, Pod. Oh, he made the cake again. The book is hers, she likes to read. The brush is his, he likes to paint. The cake is his, he likes to eat. The book is mine, I like to read. The brush is mine, I like to paint. The cakes are ours, we like to eat.
So now we will know why we eat the laddus on that day.
Til gur laddus. This is actually came from Maharashtra. In winter, this is good for health. Til gur laddus. In Maharashtra, it says til gur khaya ani god god bola. Til gur khate hai to sweet sweet bolte hai. And it is made of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds means tal and jaggery matlab god.
And distribution of sweets is good for everyone. The sesame seeds laddus, til laddus. Sesame seeds are very good for eyes, full of protein, assist diabetes, improve heart health, anti-inflammatory prepositions, flight, best source of unsaturated fats, liver protein, supply of antioxidants. So, children, I hope you enjoyed, and now you know why we fly kites on Makar Sankranti. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.